Bikpla wari na sore sawe kamap tai wanpla man na meri emidai. Na tu Planti kaino askim sawe kamap tai wanpla man emdai. Joining me in opening book Bible lo looking inside lo dispela kaino ting na askim sawe kamap. Tete yumi by looking tupla askim taso. Lo finding more about lo die. Askim number 1, life and Wanem Samting, what is life? Askim number 2, time man I die. Life and Wanem Samting, what is life? Book Bible talking yumi, lo Genesis chapter 2 na verse 7. And God formed man out of the dust of the ground, and breathed into his nostril the breath of life, and man became a living soul. So, life equals dust plus breath of life. God Kisim dust bilong ground, na forming man also hemiet, na blowing wind go inside, na man come up life. So, God and Papa blow life. Ask him number 2. Time money die. Bikpla ting blow God them like him yumi all geta man na Mary by stop one them all time. Na noga die. That's all. Sin I come up. Na bagarapi man na ogre something. Na die I come up. Lo wanem pay bilong sin em die. So yumi all geta man na Mary. Maske you lotu man or you know lotu man. Yumi ogre by still die yet. Also in Bible it talk. Romans chapter 6, na verse 23. Wages of sin is death. The money come up in sin, die by bungimem. So you may look him. Book Bible let me talk him, you me too. Lo Psalms 13, na verse 3. Consider and hear me, O Lord my God, lighten mine eyes, lest I sleep the sleep of death. So Bible am clear and am talk. The money die, and also sleep. One kind of soul. The money die, God Kisim wind bilong em back. Na dust go back no dust. Genesis chapter 3, na verse 19. In thy sweat of thy face shall thou eat bread, till thou return unto the ground. For out of it was taken. For dust thou art, and unto dust shall thou return. One kind of soul. Thy money sleep, eminusawel wanpla something. Ecclesiastes chapter 9, verse 5. Dead knows nothing. Thy money die, ting bilong em stop. Time me die. Book Bible talking yumi. Lo book Psalms 146, na verse 4. Is bread God forth? In that very day is thought perish. So good plan man na Mary. Die no count him you one kind man or Mary. So time you kiss him win na you pull him win na you stop. Kisim Jesus today. Lord, life belong you. So that you can win in power below die. All same tasol. Jesus and me win in power below die. Time me kira back. Lord bless. Matmat. Name lo mi Henry Yausing. Na looking you plan. Narapela time ken.